The Pakistan High Commissioner to India, Shahid Malik, has met with Foreign Secretary Shashank Menon in connection with the 2611 Mumbai trial. In fact, remember, the court today had issued non-bailable warrants against the 22 absconding accused in the 2611 case, including the Jamaat-ud-Dawa chief Hafiz Saeed, as well as the head of the operations of the JUD and the Lashkar, Zaki-ur-Rahman Lakhvi. And for more, let's go across to Srinjoy Chaudhary, our senior editor, joining us from the capital. Srinjoy, the NBWs or the non-bailable warrants that have been right now imposed by the court, they are all against Pakistani nationals. So what's the procedure really?
Well, very clearly, Shahid Malik, the High Commissioner here, the Pakistani High Commissioner, and his deputy, Ms. Rifat Masood, are both here. Usually they meet Shiv Shankar Menon, the Foreign Secretary, and the issues are all very strong. As of now, India has made it very clear that regardless of whether Prime Minister is meeting President Zardari or not here, regardless whether they are going to meet, he is going to meet Mr. Gilani in Egypt or not. So far, Pakistan has not done enough on two counts. One, 2611, exactly the issue that you were talking about, and of course the wider war on terror. Now, this meeting clearly will have to be on the wider war on terror and, of course, 2611, because as you know, today the courts have also made some statements. Now, it is important that Pakistan continues to do a lot more than it has done so far. Otherwise, it's very difficult for India to accept that the peace process can go forward. The point that has to be noted, and India is saying this again and again, just because a prime minister is meeting a president does not mean that the peace process is starting.
Right, Srinjoy Chaudhary, thanks for joining us with that breaking news.